500 subscribers and 15,000 views. Drum rolls please. Thank you. A big thanks to you for following Success Wheels and especially trusting this imperfect guy. That means a lot to me. You must have seen I started posting videos related to public speaking and communication skills. You will see a lot of videos related to this topic. Like I have upcoming videos which are speaking for introverts, speaking for extroverts, how to do killer presentation without using notes, how to avoid filler words when speaking, and many more fun and helpful videos. I'm also reading a lot of books these days about public speaking and communication. I recently finished Art of Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie, Talk Like TED, Say It Like Obama by Shelley Lian, and many more books I'll be reading. The best part is I will be sharing a book summaries with you all. So why am I doing this? What is the vision of Success Wheels? It is pretty straightforward. Help transform your career, your life with the help of great public speaking and effective communication skills. So all I need from you right now going forward is to help me. Help yourself and help people by sharing Success Wheels videos as much as you can. Alright? Until then, keep speaking, keep expressing. World is your stage.